Hello everyone, and welcome to another video produced by Financial Anatomy. I'm your host Elijah, and this is the place where you'll learn how to take control of your financial destiny. We talk about apps involving money and personal finance on this channel, and we're going to be talking about a new app called Revolut. Not new as in it came out yesterday, but it will be new for this channel to cover. Specifically, we're going to be talking about how to sign up for it, as a lot of people tend to like Cash App on this channel, but this is actually a good alternative if for whatever reason you don't want to use Cash App. So you want to start off by actually clicking the link in the description or the pinned comment, and that will take you to the place to where you can download the app. Once you've clicked on that link, the app will ask you for your phone number, which is part of the sign up process. You'll then be texted a link to where you can download the app. Once downloaded, open the app up, and you'll be taken to a screen where it says log in or sign up. You want to click on sign up. Once you've done that, it will ask you to confirm your phone number. Confirm it. Then it will ask you to agree to the terms and service for the country that you're in. Now that's going to vary depending on what country you're in, and I do recommend on your own time you go through the terms of service to make sure that you agree to them. But we're going to go ahead and move on for the sake of this tutorial. Click on agree and continue. You'll then be asked to input your legal name. Input it, then press the arrow button. Next, your date of birth and your home address. Once you've done this, hit continue. From here, you'll be asked what email you want to use for your account. Once you've entered that, click on continue, and it will ask you your nationality. Confirm that information with a yes or no. And of course, it's going to ask you for a tax number, that being the social security number or ITIN number. Input that information and click on continue. Next, you'll need to take a photo of yourself as part of their verification process. Click on continue. And when taking a photo, they use face scanning technology, so you want to make sure you're in a well-lit place. After that, you'll need to make a passcode up. This will have to contain between 6 to 12 characters. So keep in mind what you want to use before you get to this screen. That way you won't have to keep staring at it trying to come up with something. Once you've entered that passcode, you'll be able to continue. And it's going to ask you exactly what do you want to use this bank or app for. Of course, that's personal to you, so you want to input that information. And this really just impacts what tutorials Revolut will throw your way. It doesn't really impact anything as far as what's on your account. Next, you'll be asked to select a plan. Now they have a free plan and a premium plan. We're not going to cover the premium plan here. We're just going to cover the standard plan. So you can select standard, or if you click not now, you'll be put on the standard plan, which is free by default. Then you'll be asked if you want a physical card or virtual card that will be linked to your Revolut account. This is the same as Cash App's Cash App card. Me personally, I always pick a physical card, and you can always get a virtual card potentially later. So select physical card. And you have some light customizable abilities as to what you want to do with the card. Me personally, I just want a debit card. I don't really want to customize, so I'm going to skip that part, but keep in mind that you can customize it if you want. Then you'll need to create a PIN number. This PIN number will be used in all ATM transactions as well as some other ones. So like the passcode, keep in mind of some 4-digit number you want to use. Also remember that the PIN number is separate from your passcode. Next, you'll be asked how much money do you want to add to your account. Now this isn't mandatory to do now, so I'm just going to select 0 for now. Then hit on continue. And it says your card is ready. Click on got it. And in most cases, they'll ask you if you want to add this option to Google Pay. Up to you if you want to do that or not. I mean, this can always be done later if you do want to, so don't feel pressured to do it now. We're going to go ahead and say not now. And that does it for the sign up process. If you have any other questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And if you want to learn more about this app and what it can do for you, be sure to check out our Revolut playlist. Like this video if you found value in it, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. This has been Elijah with Financial Anatomy. See you later, and don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.